Louisiana alcoholic beverage, tax bond manufacturer, or wholesale dealer. Louisiana alcoholic beverage, tax bond manufacturer, or wholesale dealer. What is a Louisiana alcoholic beverage tax bond? Simply put, a Louisiana alcoholic beverage tax bond is a type of surety bond required by the Louisiana Department of Revenue from manufacturers and wholesale dealers of alcoholic beverages. This bond serves as a guarantee that these businesses will fulfill their tax obligations to the state. If a manufacturer or wholesale dealer fails to pay the required taxes, the bond ensures that the state will receive compensation for the unpaid taxes, penalties, and interest. Why are these bonds necessary? These bonds play a crucial role in protecting the interests of the state and its residents in several ways, ensuring tax compliance. By requiring businesses to obtain a tax bond, the state can trust that manufacturers and wholesale dealers will fulfill their tax obligations promptly and accurately. This helps prevent tax evasion and ensures a steady stream of revenue for public services and initiatives. Protecting consumers. Taxes on alcoholic beverages contribute to various public welfare programs, including healthcare, education, and law enforcement. By guaranteeing that businesses pay their fair share of taxes, these bonds indirectly support the well-being of Louisiana residents. Promoting fair business practices. Requiring bonds for manufacturers and wholesale dealers creates a level playing field in the alcoholic beverage industry. Businesses that comply with tax regulations are not unfairly disadvantaged by competitors who may attempt to evade taxes. Swift Bonds is the best place to get a Louisiana alcoholic beverage tax bond manufacturer or wholesale dealer. We offer fast and easy bonding services at competitive rates with no hidden fees or costs. How do these bonds work? When a manufacturer or wholesale dealer applies for an alcoholic beverage tax bond, they work with a surety bond provider, also known as a bonding company. The bonding company assesses the business's financial stability and risk factors before issuing the bond. Once approved, the bond is filed with the Louisiana Department of Revenue as a form of financial assurance. If the bonded manufacturer or wholesale dealer fails to pay the required taxes, the state may make a claim against the bond to recover the unpaid taxes, penalties, and interest. The bonding company then investigates the claim and may compensate the state up to the bond's full amount. However, the bonded business remains ultimately responsible for repaying the bonding company for any claims paid out. How much do these bonds cost? The cost of an alcoholic beverage tax bond in Louisiana varies depending on several factors, including the business's creditworthiness, the bond amount required by the state, and the bonding company's rates. Typically, businesses with strong credit histories and financial stability can expect to pay lower premiums for their bonds. The bond amount required by the Louisiana Department of Revenue varies based on the type and volume of alcoholic beverages sold by the manufacturer or wholesale dealer. It's essential for businesses to consult with bonding companies to obtain accurate quotes and ensure compliance with state requirements.